this hurricane season, it's still going on.
Very
It
active. We
was
have a
one of
hurricane right
the,
now. Not
yeah.
hitting Jamaica, but Cuba, I think there's a hurricane.
Hmm.
Is it Oscar?
Yeah. So if you look at, I did some analysis, like,
Yeah.
I think it
Bahamas
was
again.
it
Wow. Mm.
Milton, or one of the most recent hurricanes was the fastest I think a hurricane has ever become a category 5.
Yeah.
Was it
Yeah.
Milton
It was either Milton or Helen or it's
or
one of them.
yeah. And if you look at just the
I
amount
think it's
of
yeah, it's Milton.
it's Milton, okay. So if you look at just the amount of major category hurricanes, this is 2024 and this is ongoing. What I saw was that we have had 7, versus 2023, which was 3, 2022, which was 2, 2020 was 6, 2019 was 3. So we're having major hurricanes. We're having a high amount of hurricanes because at the time that I did this analysis, 2024, we had 15 hurricanes. And in 2020, for example, 2019, we had 6, 2021, we had 7, 2022, we had 6. So we're getting more hurricanes, stronger hurricanes, um, and there's a lot of damage. So it makes sense that, hey, maybe we don't really, the reinsurance company just have to think practically. Like, why would you, it's going to be harder because, like, why would you lend here where there's a risk that, because remember, at the end of the day, insurance, you want to reduce your risk.
Hmm.
You don't want the payout to happen. You want, or no, you don't want the thing that triggers the payout to happen. You
Yeah.
want, because you're trying to lower your risk. You want to lend to people that are not super risky. So that's kind of happening. The hurricanes, the amount of hurricanes that we're having, how severe they are, it's going to kind of make it hard. I mean, GNAC says that, we have really good partnerships, but they're going to have to navigate that issue.